Hey everyone, today I've got some intriguing news that's shaking up the tech world. Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Meta, recently made a bold prediction: AI will soon replace mid-level engineers. So what exactly did Zuckerberg say? According to him, by 2025 AI will be capable of performing the tasks that mid-level engineers do today. This isn't just about automating simple coding, it's about AI handling more complex tasks. Think about it: AI writing and debugging code, creating software features, and even optimizing performance. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's happening. Now you might be wondering, what does this mean for human engineers? Zuckerberg believes that AI taking over mid-level tasks will actually free up human engineers to focus on higher-level strategic work. Instead of getting bogged down in routine coding, engineers can dive into innovation and problem-solving. It's like having an AI assistant that handles the grunt work, so you can concentrate on the big picture. Other tech giants like Google are also jumping on this AI bandwagon. They're integrating AI into their coding processes too. This trend is spreading across the industry, and it's not slowing down. But let's talk about the impact on businesses. For companies that rely heavily on custom software, we're talking ERP systems, CRMs, HR platforms, AI could be a game changer. Imagine the cost savings when AI handles coding tasks. However, human oversight will still be crucial. Planning, implementation, and quality control, those are areas where human expertise will remain indispensable. And it's not just about replacing jobs. AI is becoming a core business driver. An IBM study shows that 81% of retail and consumer product executives are already using AI significantly. The investment in AI is set to skyrocket. Companies expect that nearly half of their employees will need AI-related upskilling within the next 3 years. So, it's not just about AI doing the work, it's about humans working alongside AI. But it's not all smooth sailing. As AI becomes more integrated into our systems, security becomes a bigger concern. Recently, vulnerabilities in several VPN tunneling protocols were discovered, affecting millions of systems. Businesses need to double down on their security measures. So what's the takeaway here? AI is poised to revolutionize the tech industry, and it's happening faster than we might have imagined. Mid-level engineering tasks might soon be the domain of AI, but this shift opens up new opportunities for innovation, strategy, and security. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the future of tech.